Karate Combat Wallet app. The pros, the cons. You won't believe what happens when martial arts meets blockchain technology, and that's exactly what the Karate Combat Wallet app brings to the table. It's a wallet built for the world's first decentralized sports league, where fighting meets finance. But is it worth using beyond the hype? Let's explore the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. The Karate Combat Wallet app is designed to connect fans, fighters, and investors through its native Karate token. With this app, users can earn rewards, participate in governance, and even vote on certain league-related decisions. It's more than a wallet, it's your access point to an entire digital combat ecosystem. The app is simple to set up and integrates directly with the Karate Combat platform. You can earn tokens by watching fights, making predictions, or supporting your favorite athletes. It's gamified finance, fun, interactive, and engaging. Another major benefit is transparency. Because the entire system is powered by blockchain, every reward, transaction, and vote is verifiable. You truly own your tokens and can transfer them freely, unlike traditional loyalty programs or fun points. However, the app has its drawbacks. While it's exciting, its use case is currently limited to the Karate Combat ecosystem. If you're looking for a full-fledged crypto wallet that supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, or DeFi apps, this isn't it. It's more of a specialized wallet with a narrow focus. Another concern is liquidity. The Karate token is relatively new, and depending on the exchange, availability may vary. This could make it harder to trade or convert to other assets quickly. Finally, the project is still evolving, meaning some features like broader staking or integrations may take time to roll out. In conclusion, the Karate Combat Wallet app is perfect for fans who love the sport and want to be part of its growing digital ecosystem. It blends entertainment, ownership, and blockchain innovation in a creative way. But if you're after a wallet for everyday crypto management, you'll need something more versatile. Still, as a glimpse into the future of sports engagement, this app punches above its weight.